first grade friends. Today, we are gonna start what's called number bonds. Now, I know what you're thinking. Math, Miss Anderson, do I really have to do math today? Yes, you do, and you guys are gonna be awesome at it. Now, some friends like math, but some of my friends do not. And so, I decided to introduce you guys to what a number bond is. Some of my math friends, and how to plug in our numbers and what we can use to help us if we get stuck. So my chart back here says, what is a number bond? And Miss Anderson wanted to go over what a number bond is. So a number bond is a way to show our numbers to where we break them up into pieces. So our number bond is always gonna have a part, and a whole. So the parts go in the two sticks at the bottom, and the whole is the bigger number. Now, sometimes you might see one with a number missing and we have to figure it out, but it's just a number bond puzzle. Does that mean it's harder? No. And it's just like when Miss Anderson showed you guys, the triangle flashcards that we were playing with the other day. So this we could plug into a number bond. So we could put 12, 6, and then we would have to figure out what that is. So, or we could do 7 and 7, which means we would put the parts down at the bottom. So 7 and 7 would be the part, and 14 would be the whole. Now, Percy the Pug says, awesome! Pugs can be in number bonds? And my friend up here says, actually, Percy, that says part, not a pug. Number bonds need 2 parts to make up the whole. And we have a couple math friends that live in number bonds. So right here you have Linus the minus, and say if you had 2 markers, Linus the minus friends would want to take one away. Now, if you have Gus the plus, and he lives down here in our number bond, and you only have 1 marker, he's going to want to give you one. And Miss Ellie equals right here. She's going to help you make sure all our 2 other math friends are happy. So Linus the minus needs to be able to do his job, and Gus the plus needs to be able to do his job. And it says, what can I help me use to solve number bonds? You can use counters if you have them at your house. You can use your fingers. You can use your brain. You can use cubes if you have them. You can do little dinosaur play toys, or you can just fill them in with the numbers. So Miss Anderson's gonna take one, and I'm gonna fill in one just so we know what they look like. And I'm gonna do purple so we can see it a little bit better. So Miss Anderson used the example. So if we had Linus the minus up here, so we've got 7 in our whole, and we've got 3 down here. Just like when Miss Anderson asks you how many more dots do you need to make the number over here. Whoop, Miss Anderson knocked off the chart off the wall. It's okay. So how many more numbers or dots do we need? So we start at 3 and we count up. 3, and we hold 3 in our hand so it doesn't get away. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers do we have up? We have 4 fingers, so that's our answer. Now, can you see number bonds in different ways? Yeah, is that okay? Yep, so you might see a number bond this way, you might see a number bond this way. So let's do one more. Miss Anderson has 5 up here. What number would you need to add up here to make something plus 5 to give you 10? So Miss Anderson's going to give you a hint and draw in the box. How many dots? Let's count them. So 5, and then we count up 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there are 5 dots. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there you have it, friends. All right, I'm excited to see what you guys are gonna get to do. Miss Hawthorne is actually gonna do our math lesson. I'm gonna send out Miss Hawthorne's math lesson tomorrow, but I wanna go ahead and give you guys a jump start because I heard from all of your kindergarten teachers how amazing you guys are at math. So I figured we could get started with it.